up, y'all? JustZay here, back again another pickup. And today is a special day. As you can tell, I'm really excited. Today is the big game. In addition to that, today we got a new pickup. And today's pickup is a steal. Now, some people are going to agree, some people are going to disagree, but it's for you guys to decide. So today we have a pair of the OZNOVA in a size 10. And without further ado, let's get into it. All right, so let's take a little moment and look at the structure of this shoe right here. Yes, I get it. It does look like another pair of shoes, but it's not those shoes, and let's look at it for what it is and appreciate it for just that. You have the rubber outer soles that's throughout the whole shoe, and then right here you have the AdiPLUS. You have the Adidas branding as well. You have what appears to be patented leather, which I'm gonna be honest, I haven't had patent leather shoes since Bapes were out, and it's good to see these are making a comeback, patent leather. I haven't seen these in a while on a pair of shoes. Semi-transparent material, which is right here, and then sorry about that, try to make it focus. Then you got the nubuck right here. Now, the elephant in the room. If you said these look like a pair of YEEZY V1 700s, you'd be right. They do. There's a similarity. If you said they look like a pair of 700 V2s, you'd be correct. Even if you said they look like a pair of 700 V3s, you'd be correct. Why? Because that's exactly what it is. This shoe has a little bit of each one of these shoes in them. Now, the sole, of course, very reminiscent of the V1, V2. Now, of course, this is the exact same sole of these two shoes, so of course it will look like that. Now, the back is the part where it gets a little interesting. It is the exact same height as the V3s, but if you look, they kind of dash it up right here just a little, so you don't quite notice it. It's pretty cool, And then, like I said, the nubuck that's in the front. I'll give you this. It's a bit of a stretch to say this nubuck looks like these, but you do know where the inspiration is from. Now, enough of that. So, semi-transparent right here, purple lining. This right here, this gray is called a dash gray. Pretty interesting name, dash gray. Never really heard of that colorway before, but dash gray. And then also a mixture of a halo silver, which I believe it's a fair name. That's a pretty fair name. I go with that, halo silver. And on the inside of the shoe, you're gonna have this sole, which comes out. Now this right here, this is what makes the AdiPLUS stand out, is their selection of this type of sole right here. This insert right here is amazing. It is extremely soft at the top layer, which is this reddish color, and then slightly firm right here, this blue layer. So when you walk, it's pushing down on it. I don't know how to describe it. Maybe like what's it called? One of those 1-800 mattress places where they have like the really good pillows on top of the cheap mattress that make you want to get it. That's what this feels like. This shoe, must have. The rubber right here is the material that you feel. That's the AdiPLUS. It's not quite as responsive as Boost, but it is fairly responsive. It is a little bit more firm, but I think that's fine, man. Like I said, I got these for $50. The original retail, I believe, was $149, and before I got my deal, it was on sale for like 70 something, and then since I'm a member, it dropped it down to 50. So I got it like 50 shipped. Actually, I'll even show you guys on the top left the description of how I got that. But great buy, man. If you can get you a pair of these, definitely get you a pair of these, man. Suede nubuck, patent leather, semi-transparent, and they glow in the dark. I mean, what more could you want? $50, $70, anything under $100, anything under $100 makes this shoe a steal. So definitely get you a pair if you can. Quick note, these do come in an all black colorway. So if you're not feeling this colorway, definitely consider getting the all black colorway. But let's see how easy it is to put these bad boys on. Even the lace pair, just as simple, just like that.
In a size 10. And why I say these are still, we'll be right back after these messages. It's the food, time to eat.
A little bit of toast, a little bit of syrup. Want some more? Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Sippy, sippy. Take your time. No rush. You ready now? Sippy, sippy. Mmm.